The budget policy statement is normally a document that is produced before the main budget papers are produced. Basically, it tells us the general plan of the budget. That is exactly which areas is the budget going to cover. So, as you wait for the budget estimates to come, you already have a good idea as to what sectors are going to be allocated money. So, if you look at the current budget statement, budget policy statement, you see that the highlight is on education, it's on infrastructure, it is on energy, which is part of infrastructure. So basically, we already have a good idea as to what sectors the budget is going to focus on. The other thing that you need to look at in this budget statement is actually the deficit. We see that the deficit is much smaller for this year compared to last year, because it is basically about 167 billion compared to last year's 236 billion. So we are looking at a government that is very keen to cut spending going forward. But there is another thing that actually influences that. We are seeing that the tax revenues are diminishing. For example, recently we were told that they didn't manage to meet the target. We have also seen that donors are not able to actually meet some of their commitments. So the budget policy statement has been prepared with all these things in mind, with the consideration that donors are not bringing as much money as is expected, with the consideration that tax revenues are not to the level that is targeted. So basically, we would say the budget of this year is much more realistic, and is taking account of the fact that the government faces challenges in terms of raising revenue.